Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about uncountable nouns. As you know, nouns that cannot be counted using numbers are called uncountable nouns. For example, can we count water using numbers? Like, can we say 1 water or 2 water? No, we cannot. So, water is an uncountable noun. We can only count glasses or bottles of water. The other examples of uncountable nouns are sugar, tea, air. We cannot count these things. Now, since uncountable nouns cannot be counted, so we do not use the article a or n before them, and they do not have a plural form. For example, air is an uncountable noun, so we cannot use an air or airs. Similarly, we cannot use a sugar or sugars, since it is an uncountable noun. If we want to measure uncountable nouns, we must use other countable nouns. For example, a breath of fresh air. Here, breath is countable, but air is uncountable. Similarly, 2 kilos of sugar. Here, kilo is countable, but sugar is not. Means we cannot count sugar, but kilos of sugar can be counted. So, for measuring sugar, we have to use a countable noun kilo. We use the article the before uncountable nouns when we talk about particular or specific things and not general. For example, the honey is in the kitchen. Here we are talking about the particular or specific honey which is in the kitchen. So the article the is used here. The next is honey is good for a sore throat. Here we are not talking about the particular or specific honey. We are talking about general honey. Generally, honey is good for a sore throat. We use the words much, a little, a lot of, some, and any with uncountable nouns to indicate their quantity or amount. We use much to indicate a large amount of something. For example, much money means a large amount of money. We use a little to indicate a small quantity of something. For example, a little rain. Again, we use a lot of to indicate a large quantity of something. For example, a lot of butter. We use the word some to indicate a limited quantity of something. However, the quantity is not defined. For example, some advice. Here, how much advice? It is not defined. We use the word any in questions and negative sentences. For example, do you have any news? No, I do not have any news. Now see this question. Here you have to underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. For example, number 1 is we need some juice for the party. So what are nouns here? Juice and party. Can we count juice? No, we can't. So juice is an uncountable noun, so it will be circled. Now party. Can we count party? Yes, we can. So party is a countable noun, so it will be underlined. Now see the next question. Here you have to tick the correct words from the brackets to complete these sentences. For example, number 1 is, are there dash oranges left? Since we can count oranges, so it is a countable noun, and we do not use much with countable nouns. We use it with uncountable nouns. Also, it is a question, so the word which will be ticked here is any. So I hope you will do these two questions. This is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.